Anything?
Can you actually give me my hat?
Alright.
What the fuck?
Wait, which one?
What was that for?
Which color?
The black one.
Oh.
You slammed the door on my face!
What?
12 ounce, that's it.
Okay.
Alright. Babe, come here, right? Come here. Come here.
What?
Dude, you just whipped that thing.
No, I didn't!
Coke, please.
Coke.
Why are you slamming the door? You're slamming the door.
Oh.
You slammed the door.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
This girl.
Alright, relax. Don't slam the door! Hey, Hulk!
What?
Don't slam the door!
What did you say you wanted?
Could I have bad Mars
Mars bar,
please?
okay.
Ow! Psycho!